Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kindermat 1-inch is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any home, classroom, or play area, offering unparalleled comfort and safety for children during playtime, learning activities, or even just a cozy nap. Its thick, cushioned surface is specifically designed to absorb impact, protect little ones from hard floors, and provide a soft, inviting space for endless hours of fun and development. Whether you're looking to create a dedicated play zone, a safe space for tummy time, or a comfortable mat for educational games, this Kindermat stands out as a top-tier choice for parents and educators alike who prioritize their child's well-being and enjoyment. Number 5. Gaiam Thick Yoga Mat. Experience superior joint comfort with our extra-thick mat. Its high-density foam provides plush cushioning, reducing pressure on your knees and hips during any workout. Move with confidence on our textured surface. It helps reduce slipping on most hard floors, offering a stable and comfortable foundation for your exercises. Enjoy a soft, low-odor foam that's incredibly easy to care for. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth for hassle-free maintenance. Perfect for a variety of home fitness routines, including yoga, Pilates, and stretching. It provides ample comfort on any floor surface. This mat rolls up quickly and comes with an adjustable strap. Transporting it between workout spaces or to classes has never been easier. What we like? This mat offers exceptional cushioning for your joints. If you're looking for a comfortable workout on hard floors or have sensitive joints, this is the one. Its non-slip surface ensures stability during your practice. What people say? The interlocking foam tiles are easy to assemble and provide a cushioned surface. The 1-inch thickness offers good shock absorption, making it suitable for various activities. Durable and easy to clean, the mats hold up well to regular use. Number 4. Wake in Cloud Toddler Nap Mat, Galaxy Spaces. Embark on an adventure with this galaxy-themed nap mat. It's designed for little explorers with stars, planets, and rockets to spark their imagination. This all-in-one sleep solution combines a mat, blanket, and a removable pillow. It's perfectly sized for children aged 3 to 6, offering complete comfort. Easily roll it up and take it anywhere with the convenient handle. It's ideal for preschool, daycare, or sleepovers, with a special spot for their name. Made from 100% cotton fabric, it ensures a breathable and peaceful sleep. The high-grade polyester fill makes it durable for everyday use. Keeping it fresh is easy. Simply remove the pillow and machine wash the mat. It's designed for hassle-free care, ensuring it's always ready for nap time. What we like? This is a convenient all-in-one solution for your child's nap time. If your little one loves space and you need a comfortable, easy-to-carry nap mat for daycare or sleepovers, this is a fantastic choice. The 100% cotton fabric ensures breathability. What people say? The interlocking foam tiles are easy to assemble and provide a cushioned surface. The 1-inch thickness offers good shock absorption, making it suitable for various activities. The tiles are durable and hold up well to regular use. Number 3. Baby Shusher Gift Set. Looking for the perfect baby shower gift? This ultimate set includes everything new parents need to help their little ones sleep soundly. Calm your newborn with this portable sound machine. It uses real human shoo sounds to effectively soothe crying and encourage peaceful sleep. This lightweight device is essential for travel. Easily soothe your baby at home, in the crib, or on the go with its convenient design. These silicone pacifiers are designed for comfort. With a snug and secure fit, they help comfort babies aged 0 to 6 months. Included are 2 soft cotton swaddles. They are designed to be gentle on your baby's skin, providing warmth and comfort for peaceful sleep. What we like? This product is designed to help establish sleep routines for newborns. If you are a new parent struggling with a fussy baby or need a portable solution for soothing on the go, this gift set is ideal. It includes a sound machine, pacifiers, and swaddles. What people say? The interlocking foam tiles are easy to assemble and provide a soft, cushioned surface. The mats are durable and hold up well to regular use, making them a great option for playrooms or exercise areas. The 1-inch thickness offers excellent shock absorption, protecting both children and floors from impacts. Number 2. Kindermat 1 Thick 4-Section Rest Mat. Discover the ultimate comfort and convenience with our premium rest mat. Designed for your child's relaxation, it's perfect for any setting. Measuring 45x19x1, this mat offers ample space for your little one to rest. Its 1-inch thickness provides superior cushioning. Ideal for school, daycare, travel, or simply for quiet time at home. This mat adapts to wherever your child needs a comfortable spot. Crafted for durability, it's built to withstand daily use. The easy-to-clean surface ensures hygiene and convenience for parents. Support American craftsmanship with a product that's 100% made in the USA. Quality and safety you can trust. Featuring a classic red and blue color scheme, it adds a touch of fun to any space. It's as practical as it is appealing. What we like? This mat provides a solid 1-inch thick resting surface. If you need a durable and straightforward mat for school, daycare, or travel, this is a great option. Its 4-section design makes it easy to fold and store, and it's proudly made in the USA. What people say? The mats are thick and provide good cushioning. Easy to assemble and the interlocking pieces fit together snugly. Durable and holds up well to regular use. Number 1. Children's Factory Angels Toddler Nap Mat. Introducing a durable nap mat designed for your little ones. Its sturdy vinyl cover is built to withstand daily use and wipes clean easily. Setting up for nap time is a breeze with this mat. It quickly folds down to a compact size, saving valuable space in any classroom or home. Accidents happen, but this mat is ready. Waterproof seams ensure that spills and messes won't seep into the inner foam. Designed for rugged, daily use, this mat features tear-resistant sewn edges. It's made to endure the demands of active toddlers. Measuring 48 by 24 inches, this comfortable mat is ideal for toddlers aged 12 months and older. It even comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. What we like? This nap mat offers superior thickness and durability for active toddlers. If you need a robust, easy-to-clean mat for preschool or daycare that can withstand spills and daily use, this is the perfect fit. The waterproof vinyl and vinyl welded seams ensure longevity. What people say? The Kindermat is 1-inch thick and provides excellent cushioning for floor exercises. It is easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for home use. The interlocking tiles are simple to assemble and can be customized to fit any space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.